Hi guys, this is Chet here from Avion Technology here in Chicago. Today I'm going to talk about Yoast. So I do these little shorts, 2-3 minute shorts, essentially for small business owners. I think that after the pandemic, a lot of small business owners are finding it tough to make the change and adjust to the new digital paradigm. And technology, even for those of us who are in technology, we find that it is moving ahead at such a fast pace. So for someone who doesn't know tech, for someone who doesn't, for who's running a bricks and mortar business, technology is becoming more and more of an unknown. So I do these little 2-3 minute shorts with the intention that someone who's a who's a lawyer, who's a doctor, who's a dentist, they can watch these little shorts on a day to day basis and hopefully update themselves about technology. So today I'm going to talk about Yoast. Yoast is a SEO plugin for WordPress. SEO is like a black box. It's like there's a lot of mythology behind it. People get scared of SEO. They hire expensive experts who usually don't deliver anything close to what they had promised, and often a lot of small businesses end up losing a lot of money in the process. So I recommend using a plugin called Yoast. Yoast is almost the gold standard for DIY SEO on WordPress, and it has a free version and a paid version, both of which are pretty easy to use, very intuitive, and they have these little things that they've included in the plugin now. For example, you can do readability analysis of the content that you've written. You can check it for plagiarism, all the good stuff. So if you're a small business user, you definitely need a website. If you need a website, check out WordPress. And if you have a WordPress installation, check out Yoast for any of your SEO needs, search engine optimization needs. If you need anything else, give us a shout. This is our number. This is our email. Give us a shout, and we'll be more than happy to help you on your next project. Again, Chet here from Avion Technology, signing off.